Good morning. We need some grandkids over here. We got an empty playhouse, slide, and a pool ready to be filled. Here's the backyard. Our pretty pond. There's our little snake. There's Grandma. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi. I miss my babies.
Good. Oh, look at that. That's the farm down there. There's that. And our watering bucket. We got a water.
Some our new family of ants.
Look at the ants.
There's a
Big
ant.
mommy
Ant.
and babies.
And 5 baby ants.
There's some tomatoes. Not red yet.
That's pretty with the sun hitting it.
All the flowers pretty out this morning. Pretty flowers. There's our fish and our owl.
What's the owl say?
What's the owl say? What does the owl say? What's a fish do? Hi, Mill. Millie. Oh, you look so pretty. Say hi. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? There's the fish. There's the fish. Here they come. Maybe they're not hungry. So one, swing. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Sassy, good morning. Good morning.
Yayo's right there too.
Yayo, good morning. What are you doing? What? What are you doing?
Mary's gonna get it done.
Oh, no, he's getting the ball. Tripper. Say hi, Tripper. Tripper. Say hi. Say morning. Say hi, Trip. Tripper. Tripper. Trip. Alright, we're going to go get some beans and some peas. Let's go down to the garden. Oh, look, there's the farm. There's all the corn. Corn. Oh, let's go down to the gate. Okay, let's go in the garden. Oh, get the ball. Open the gate. Open. You gotta open the gate. Where's the peas? Let's get the peas. Gotta get the peas. There's a pea. Where's the peas? Oh, there's a pea. Look, look. There's a pea. Right there.
Let me zoom.
Yum, 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 yum. Peas. Here's the corn. Look at the corn. All this corn. Gonna be some corn today. Look at all the corn. Corn. let's get some beans. We're gonna get some beans now. Look at that. Beans. Beans. Lots of beans. Let's get some more beans. Where's the beans? Oh, look. More beans. Beans. We'll get some more beans. Oh. Over here.
Hey, Billy.
You're just gonna walk along here. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Yale. Come on. Look at this corn. Look at the corn. Corn. More beans. Oh, look. A bean. Got a bean. Look at all the corn. Look at the baby corn. Baby corn. Sassy. Say hi.
What's that?
Okay, come on. Come on. There's a tomato.
Let me zoom in.
Look at the tomato. Big tomato. Big. You want to see the okra? Look at that. That's for David. Okra. Let's see the pumpkin. Where's the pumpkin? Look at the pumpkin. Big. That's a big pumpkin. Look at that pumpkin. That's one. There's two. Even though Andrew says that's not a pumpkin. Over here, look at this. There's three. And four. And squash. Oh, look at this. More beans. Beans. Here's our cucumbers, babies. Look at the baby cucumber. It's a baby cucumber. I need some help picking all this. Where's my babies? Let's get the bad. Look at those bad. There's a bad. Look at that bad. Got it. Bad. The weeds are killing us. We need people that. Where's my brown babies? They help me get the bads. Look at all the bad. There's a bad. Bad. Get that. Bad. Bad. Gone. Bad. Oh, there's a bad. Bad. All gone. There's the dogs. Millie. Tripper. What do you got? You want a surprise? You want a surprise? Oh. Who wants a surprise?
Waiting for his buddy to come to the fence. Yep.
Oh, God. Look at the pretty garden. Corn's getting big. To the corn. Beep. What?
What you doing?
Birds. Feed the birds.